Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you all are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and thanks to Almighty who wished our presence here. Before starting, I want to introduce myself to all of you. Okay, so my dear students, my name is Anis and I'm your new class teacher. I welcome you all to the new class. My dear students, this is our first video lecture and the subject that we are going to read in this video lecture is SST. Okay, so let's get started. My dear students, the first chapter that we have here in SST is Early Humans, Their Life. Okay. So, in this lesson, we will learn about the early humans and their life. Okay. Before proceeding, can you tell me who were the early humans? Do you know the answer? No? Okay, no problem. I will tell you the answer. So, my dear students, early humans were basically the people who lived thousands of years ago. I mean, the people who lived before us many years ago. Early humans used to live a very simple life. Simple life in the sense that they were not aware about the things that are happening in today's world. What I am trying to say is that early humans were the people who lived in the jungles. They did not know how to build houses, they did not know how to grow food, how to cook food. Okay, they also did not know anything about the clothes. They used it to cover their body with leaves of trees or animal skin. Facilities like houses, delicious food, means of transport, communication system, etc., were not available to them at that time. Neither they were aware about all these things. My dear students, let me tell you that the early humans were afraid of wild animals. So they used to live on trees or hid themselves behind the bushes just to protect themselves from the wild animals and the adverse climatic conditions. Gradually, they started living in caves just to provide themselves more security from wild animals. Okay, so my dear students, you might have got this in your mind now that the early humans were simply the people who lived before us many thousands of years ago. Okay, so, my dear students, you will get this information about early humans more accurately by looking at the animated video that I have provided here for you. Just have a look at it.
Looks like someone's coming. Quick, hide.
Look at that man. What a thick and long beard he has.
Uh-oh. It looks like you've come a really long way back in time. We are in the Stone Age. That man is an early human.
What does early human mean?
Early humans are people who lived a long time ago.
Let's follow and see where he goes. What is he wearing?
Early humans did not wear clothes like ours. They covered their bodies with tree leaves and animal skins. Look, there are more people ahead.
Let's see what they are doing.
What is that?
That's an animal that they've hunted.
How did they kill that animal?
Early humans killed wild animals with the help of sharp stones.
Listen, they are talking, but I cannot understand what they are saying.
Early man could not talk like we do, so they made sounds or used their hands to point to things while talking to one another.
Look, they are taking the animal and going somewhere.
Let's follow them.
Look, they are going into that cave.
Yes, that is where they lived. Early humans did not live in houses like ours. They lived in caves and on trees found in the forests.
Why did they live on trees or in caves?
Wild animals like tigers, lions and elephants also lived in the forest. So they lived in places where they would be safe from wild animals. The cave had to be big enough for people to live here. They would eat, sit and sleep here. They would also store their food here.
What food did they eat?
Their food was meat, wild fruits and roots. They would go from one place to another to search for food. And do you know, they ate raw meat because they did not know how to cook it on a fire. Later, they learned to make fire by rubbing two stones together, and then they would cook their food before eating it. Did you know that early humans liked to draw? They decorated the walls of their caves with drawings of animals and scenes showing how they lived.